Hello friends, today we have very interesting subject, how to import data from Excel to Tally. We can here create ledgers, masters and everything through Excel. How can we create the masters from Tally, from Excel to Tally? Here I have 110 ledger name. Here we have to assign in which group it is applicable. So advertisement expense is a indirect expenses. Air conditioner fixed asset. Amitabh Bachchan as a Sunday creditor. Audit fees, indirect expenses. Bad debts indirect, bank charges indirect, bills payable, current liabilities, bills receivable, current assets, carriage inward, direct expenses, CGST payable, current liabilities, CGST credit, current assets, commission paid, indirect, computer, fixed asset, delivery charges, purchase, related to purchase. Depreciation, indirect. Director remuneration, indirect. Discount allowed, indirect. Discount received, indirect income. Donation, indirect expenses. Drawings, capital. Electricity deposits, assets. Electricity expenses, factory. Direct expenses, goodwill, fixed assets. HDFC bank accounts. Income tax provisions. Input IGST, cess. Duties and taxes. Insurance charges prepaid. Current assets. Insurance premium, indirect expenses. Interest expenses, indirect expenses. Interest on investment, indirect income. Interest on loan, indirect expenses. Interest receivables, current assets. Investment in bond, current assets. Investment in shares, current assets. Labor charges, direct expenses. Laptop, fixed asset. Legal expenses, indirect expenses. Loading charges, indirect expenses. Machinery, fixed asset. Maintenance expenses, indirect expenses. Manager's commission, indirect expenses. Mobile phone, fixed asset. Motor car, fixed asset. Mutual fund, current asset. Output, GST, SGST, IGST cess. Duties and taxes. Partner capital account, partner current account, capital account. Penalty, indirect expenses. Plant and machinery, fixed asset. Postage and telegram, indirect. Power and fuel, direct expenses. Miscellaneous expense, assets. Printer, fixed asset. Printing expenses, indirect. Professional fee, indirect. Proprietary capital account. Punjab National Bank OD account. Purchase, all these are purchases, that is purchase composition, that means all are related to purchase. So we can purchase account, this is purchase, up to here it is purchase. Reliance Industries, we can treat as a debtor. Standard debtors. Rental deposits, deposit assets. Rent expenses, indirect expenses. Rent payable, current liability. Rent paid, indirect. Repair charges, indirect. Royalty, indirect. Salary, indirect. Salary advance, loans and advances. Sales return, all these are related to sales. Sales, up to here it is sales. Scooter fixed asset. Security deposit, service tax payable, current liabilities. Share capital, capital account. Share premium. State Bank of India, bank account. Stationery expenses, indirect expenses. TDS payable, current liabilities. Telephone charges, indirect expenses. Telephone charges prepaid, current assets. Traveling expenses, indirect. Union Bank of India, bank accounts. Vehicle maintenance, indirect. Vijay Bank, bank OD account. Wages, direct expenses. Warehousing expenses, direct expenses. Now we completed the expenses. Save it. Now open Tally. It's an education version. Go to, we can check whether any ledger is there. Accounts, ledgers, alter. Only one ledger account, profit and loss account. Okay. Now take our Excel sheet. On the tab, we have created one tab, Tally. Click on Tally. We have two menus, create vouchers, create masters. Here click on masters. The file is converted into XML and it is showing the location. I am saving it to desktop. Ledger master, I given the name. Save it. XML save. Now go to desktop. XML file is here. Copy this file. Save it to Tally folder. If the XML file is anywhere other than Tally folder, we cannot import the data. Place it to the Tally folder. So right click on Tally icon, open the file location, paste here, copy the name. Now open Tally, click on import data, enter. Here we have to create masters. So click on masters. Now showing the XML file name. Paste here, Ctrl Alt V. At the end, give the extension because it is an XML file. So extension name XML dot XML. Enter. Now it is asking whether combine opening balances, ignore duplicates, modify with new data. Modify with the new data. Enter. Now ledger created. We can check whether ledger created or not. Go to accounts information, ledgers, display. we have ledgers here. Within a fraction of a second, we created the ledger. We can alter bad debts, indirect expenses, computers. It is coming to fixed assets. Income tax provisions. So all the ledgers are in exact groups. Rental deposits and advances. In this way, we can create all the ledgers also. We can create thousands of ledgers within seconds. And also we can create vouchers. We can give the date, debit, credit, amount, narration and voucher type. Receipt, payment, purchase, sales, etc. After entering all, we can create the voucher XML, import it to Tally. If you have thousands of entries, you can take only 10 to 15 seconds for uploading it to Tally. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. You will get more easy tips. Thank you.